Hello guys, you're welcome to Benue Family TV. It's a beautiful TV, like a family TV. So today I'm going to talk about how to find a wife. It's funny, but how do you find a wife? It's very simple. These are simple steps that you need to follow. And first, you need to attend events. Go for an event, look around, and maybe you'll find something. And second, go to church or religious gathering. You may find somebody there. And third, you can try online dating, and maybe you'll find somebody there. Well, it's so funny because at times we look when you see somebody you love and finding a wife. Not every lady that you see out there, you say you have seen your wife. No. If you see a lady, look at her, get to know each other, talk to each other, and if she has that which you need, or which you want, or that which you want in a woman, then go ahead. Because a woman cannot be 100% for you. Because there are some women that you can meet that they'll have like 50% of what you want. Some they will have 70%, some they will have 80%, and maybe some will have 90%. But 100% woman, there's no way you can see 100% woman that you want to marry. But want to see a woman who is ready to be with you at your level, and who is ready to accept you for who you are, who is ready to look after you. When I'm talking about looking after you, it's not necessarily talking about money. Who is ready to understand what you do? Who is ready to take your flaws? Because at times, there are some things you look at yourself, you'll feel, oh man, this life I'm living is not good. And can someone help me? And if somebody is there to fill in the gap, because even looking at yourself as a person, you're not perfect. So there's no perfect woman. You can only make a woman to be what you want her to be. Okay, so there's no perfect woman, there's no perfect man. And even you're not perfect to be the kind of woman, the kind of man you want. That's all. And if he's ready to submit to you, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the road and call us for the wedding. We'll come. So finding a woman, some people, they find it difficult because finding a woman because they look at so many things. And now, when they meet a woman today, they will feel that, this woman should be the way I want in the same day. There's some things that you have to, take it gradually during the courtship, relationship, dating. And then there's some things that you perfect them in marriage. Maybe after 30 years, or after 20 years, or after 10 years, or after 1 year, or after first 1 month. So because you cannot perfect everything at once, look for someone who is ready to accept you for who you are. When they say someone who will accept you for who you are, is that person that will be able to take your nonsense. And even when you are down, she will be there to lift you up, to encourage you. Not the woman that will come and be nagging, insulting you, saying sort of things on you. Look for a woman who is ready to support you and be with you at any moment of your life, or who is ready to be with you in any time of your life. Because some women, when you don't have money, they will go. But some women, even if you have money or you don't have money, they are still there for you. So if you find a woman who is ready to support you, to be with you, to assist you, you can take them as your wife. Or you can, if you see a woman who is ready to help you step up your game in your business, add value to your life, that's the kind of woman you will marry. And you know your best, you know what you want, so go for it. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.